Good morning everyone. I am Rupinder, Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today in this video we learn Human Resource Planning. What is Human Resource Planning? HRP is the short term of the Human Resource Planning. It is the process of ensuring the right number of qualified people into the right job at the right time to delivery. The result is an efficient and effective manner. Process of HRP. Understanding the organizational objective, translate into schedules, devise plans to secure the right resources. Objectives of the HRP. To maintain the quantity and quality of human resources, forecast turnover rates, plan to meet HR need at time of expansions, foresee the effects of technology change in HR and provide, develop existing HR human resource to match human resource requirement of the future, optimizing staffing, make contingent plans for sudden requirements and situations of shortfall, utilize human resource effectively and efficiently, estimate the value of HR and their contribution to the organization. Planning at the different level of HRP. Communication in both directions: corporate level, intermediate level, operation planning, and short-term activities. In corporate level, macro, changing market and technology, organizational policy. Intermediate level, strategic business unit and recruitments, layoff and retainings. Operation planning, training and development or recruitments. Short-term activities, day-to-day activities, grievance handling, etc. These are the planning at different levels of HR. Process of HRP. Long-term need, career planning for individual employees, and successions planning. Basic steps of HRP. Analyzing the impact of strategy and objective in terms of HR requirement, involving line manager in determining the needs, forecasting the quantity and quality of HR required, matching HR supply in the organization with the number required, developing an action plan to meet the future requirement plan and phased. Assessing the current human resources. First is job analysis and inventory of resources. Through the knowledge, skill and qualification, we check the inventory of the resources. Human Resource Information System. Easy storage and access of information. Employees, their jobs, their qualification, their compensation, training needs, leave, balance, etc. These are the human resource information system we should have to require for a particular organization. Forecasting. It is matching inventory with the future requirement. Managing forecasting or demand or surplus. Considers new hires, transfers, long leave and coming back, promotions and demotions, separations, statistical probability tools or changing demographics, political, social and legal environment. Managing the future demand. Managing future surplus, dealing with surplus manpower, retrenchment, outplacement, layoff, leave or absence without pay, loaning, work sharing, reduced work hours, early voluntary retirement, attritions. These are the dealing with surplus of manpower. Growing importance of HRP. Pitfalls and complicated process, current trends, downsizing and outsourcing. Please like, share and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academic.